Hi friends, good afternoon. Sorry I'm a bit late. It is a PD day here and I'm not sure if you can catch the noise but I have my kids and I watch a couple of other kids on PD days, so it's a little bit noisy, but that is why I'm a bit late, and it is what it is, and we'll just hope that we can get through this video. So welcome, Facebook Live, my Friday videos. And today I'm going to showcase this fairly simple card, but if you can see, there's some magic glimmer happening there, and I'm going to show you just how easy that is. So let's get started. I am going to, and this is the inside of the card, because you know I always like to do the insides. So let's get started. We're going to use Night of Navy cardstock. I'm just going to fold that in half. So this will measure 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So this is an 8 1/2 by 11 sheet of cardstock cut in half and scored in half. All right, and then I'm going to use Very Vanilla. So I need 2 pieces. And I will warn you, if you haven't noticed already, I'm pretty glittery and I'm getting glitter everywhere. So if you're going to do this technique, then you're going to get glitter everywhere. I'm just letting you know. But that's the fun sometimes. Okay, I'm going to use Dandelion Wishes. I love this set, but I don't use it quite as often. So it was giving me a stare down here on my shelf, and I decided to design a card with it. Okay, so first we're going to do some stamping. I'm going to use Sahara Sand ink. I also have an oval here that I cut on my Big Shot using the layering ovals framelits. And let's move some stuff out of the way and start with one sheet of paper here. Okay, so I'm going to use the 3 dandelions here. I'm going to ink that up, and I'm just going to spin my paper around. Sorry for shaking the camera. Ink that up and stamp it 3 times there. So that's going to be the first layer on my card. I'm going to set that aside. Bring this one in. This is going to be for the inside of my card. So now I'm going to use the blowing dandelion here, and I'm going to stamp that on the bottom. And then I want to stamp it one more time on this oval here. All right, like so. And if you have it kind of going off of your paper, it just gives the illusion that the image is continuing off the page. So I quite like that. Okay, then I'm going to bring in a couple of sentiments here. Sending well wishes your way. And then on the inside, I'll stamp wishes for a lifetime of love and happiness. So I thought this would make a good congratulatory card for a newlywed couple or an engagement or something like that. I needed a couple of these cards. Could work for anniversary also. I needed a couple of these cards in my stash here for cards for sale, so I just thought that I would do double duty here. So we're going to stamp this one on the inside, wishes for a lifetime of love and happiness. And then on the oval, I'm stamping sending well wishes your way. Now if you omitted this one on the inside, this could also work for a get well or something like that. Okay. There we go. Now, before I make the magic happen, I'm just going to add a little bit more color here. I'm going to bring in some Pool Party. I'm doing a video. That's okay. I'm live, Oliver. I'll be with you in 1 minute. Okay. So I'm just going to ink this up, and I'm adding. We almost made it. We almost made it through a video. All right. I am just going to take my dauber here, and I'm adding ink all around the edges. and I just sponged a little bit of ink in the center here, and while I have it out, I want to do the same. So if you start in the middle and kind of work in a swirly pattern on the way out, you're just adding some color to the image. Okay, so now we can close that up and let's make the magic happen. So to get the glitter, I have cut the same size oval from the Big Shot adhesive sheets. So this is double-sided adhesive, and they come in 6 by 12 inch sheets, and you can cut them to any size or shape that you want using punches or dies or scissors, and pretty much turn anything into a sticker. So now this side is sticky, so I'm just going to lay it over my oval here, and you can kind of see the image popping through. Now you do want to give it a good press down. This is probably the only time I use a bone folder, and you just want to make sure that adhesive sticks down. Okay, because we're going to pull the other side off now. And normally when you use this, you would have the sticky on the other side so that you're gluing it to your project. But this is another way to use them. Okay, so now the top of my image is sticky, and I just brought in a scrap piece of paper because I'm going to dump Dazzling Diamonds over top. And this is where you're going to get all glittery, oh geez, that's the second time I did that. Okay, and you're just going to tap it all off, and I can see that I did not press the adhesive down enough, so I don't have adhesive there, but I will go ahead and fix that at a later time. I'm just going to add some adhesive there just so I get glitter. But you can see that when you have it all off, then you have this glitter piece here, and it'll look like that. If you spend the time and get the adhesive down, you're gonna get it all over. But it is what it is. Okay, so let's just finish off the card. Let me move this glitter out of the way. Brush off my hands. Okay, to finish off the card, I'm just going to glue this. Now you're going to use adhesive of your choice. I'm just using this tape runner here. This is the inside of the card. There we go. I'm going to glue my front layer. Whoops, sorry, shook the camera. Glue the front layer on. Make sure it's straight. And then I want to add some of this ribbon and some sequins in behind. So I just ran, this is all going to get covered, so I just ran a couple of strips there, and I like working off the spool because then I know that I'm not wasting ribbon. So I'm just going to just add a couple behind there. Move that out of the way, and then add, I don't think I need more adhesive. Add some of this, not using my ribbon scissors. Add some of the sequin trim. All right, and then I have Night of Navy oval here. I'm going to fix this glitter after the fact. Oh, and it's still coming off. I didn't knock it all off before. Told you, you're gonna get glitter everywhere, so be prepared. But it looks fabulous. Okay, so we got that. Then I wanted to add a couple of dimensionals on the back because it looks awesome popped up. and it helps with the ribbon there. We're gonna peel that off. All right, and pop that on. And there you go. Pretty quick and easy card, simple stamping. Let me bring in my better image there, and a little bit of wow, and not so hard to do. So thank you for watching. As with all my Friday videos, if you leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. Wish me a happy Friday. I will draw a winner to receive some happy mail. I did realize that I didn't draw a winner for last week, so I did that earlier, and Gloria Raffin, you are the winner of happy mail for commenting on last week's video. So congratulations. If you send me a message with your address, I will pop some happy mail in the mail for you. And for everyone that leaves me a comment with this video, I will draw a winner for happy mail. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this project, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.